Hello students, I am Sachin Kumar. I am going to teach you science of class 9 chapter first motion. In this chapter we are going to learn about topic velocity. Now let's start velocity. How is the term velocity defined? The displacement of a body per unit time over a interval is called velocity. If any body travel the displacement in unit time is called velocity. You know, the distance traveled by a body per unit time is called speed, but the distance traveled by a body per unit time is called velocity. Velocity equal displacement by time. You know, displacement, unit of displacement meter and time second. Then SI unit of velocity is meter per second. In CGS unit of velocity is centimeter per second, because displacement SI unit is meter, time is second, so SI unit of velocity meter per second. What displacement in CGS system unit centimeter, time is second, so centimeter per second. CGS system unit of velocity centimeter per second. Velocity is a vector quantity because it's require both magnitude and direction. Which quantity have both magnitude and direction is called vector quantity. So velocity have magnitude and direction is called vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity because it have magnitude and direction. Is required magnitude and direction, so velocity is a vector quantity, but speed only have magnitude, so speed is the square quantity. Types of velocity. Now what is meant by uniform velocity? When a body travels in a straight line, means in a particular direction, and cover equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to have uniform velocity. Any body when travels in a straight line, in straight lines, travels in straight lines, means particular direction, same direction, means same direction, cover equal distance, cover equal distance, equal distance, cover equal distance in equal interval of time, means time equal 1 second में suppose that 2 meter, तो 2 second 4 meter, then 3 second 6 meter, then 4 second 8 meter. You know, 1 second is 2 meter, 2 second is 4 meter, 3 second is 6 meter, then 4 second is 8 meter, means equal interval of time, and equal Displacement. Why displacement? Particular direction. Particular direction. So displacement, yeah, 1 second covered by 2 meter, 2 second 4, 3 second 6, 4 second 8. So we can say any object, any object travel, any object travel in particular direction covered equal distance in equal interval of time is called uniform velocity. What is meant by non-uniform velocity? A body is said to have non-uniform velocity when it covers unequal distance in equal time interval in particular direction. Yeah, cover equal distance in equal interval of time. A body covers as a any body 1 second travel 4 meter, then 2 second 5 meter, then 3 second 6 meter. Equal time interval but not equal distance. Travel by body, non-uniform velocity. If any body travel particular direction, equal distance unequal interval of time, yeah, equal interval of time unequal distance in particular direction, non-uniform velocity, yeah, equal distance in equal interval of time, equal distance equal interval of time but change its direction during the motion. What? Change its direction during the motion, then non-uniform velocity. I hope uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity it's clear. What is meant by average velocity? If the velocity of a body in particular direction change continuously at the uniform rate, then the arithmetic mean of the initial and final velocity over a given period of a time is called average velocity. Average velocity, initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. Any object travel in particular direction, change continuously at uniform rate. Suppose change 1 second is 4 meter and 2 second is suppose 8 meter, then 3 second is 9 meter. 3 second is 9 meter. Particular direction, given time period, any time period 4 second 8 meter 9 meter, तो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी देन फाइनल वेलोसिटी डिवाइड बाई टू या एवरेज वेलोसिटी इक्वल टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाई टोटल टाइम. एवरेज वेलोसिटी या let any body motion, initial velocity of the object u and after the time t final velocity v, then the average velocity, then initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. So find average velocity या total displacement upon total time average velocity. Now next, how does velocity differ from speed? Means difference speed and velocity. Speed is defined as the distance covered per unit time. You know, travel the distance per unit time speed and travel the displacement per unit time velocity. Any body has the distance covered per unit time speed but displacement covered per unit time velocity. Speed of an object tells us how fast does it move. Speed of an object tells us how fast does it move. How fast does it move means how many fast it move tells me us speed, but velocity tells us how fast it move in which direction. Velocity. Speed of an object is a scalar quantity and is always positive. Speed scalar quantity, velocity vector quantity. Speed scalar quantity because it's have only magnitude. So speed scalar quantity. Velocity it's have both magnitude and direction. So vector quantity. It's clear in previous video, magnitude and direction. So you will say vector quantity both required magnitude and direction. Velocity can be positive or negative. Velocity positive or negative, but speed always positive. The average speed of a moving object is always finite and cannot be zero. Average speed always finite, definite, clear, moving, cannot be zero. Average speed cannot be zero, but average velocity can be zero. Average velocity of a moving body can be zero. It is possible zero, but it is not possible zero. Average speed it's possible zero. Average velocity average speed it's not possible zero, but average velocity it's possible zero. I hope It's clear.